Hey boo, so in this video I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from HERMOSA hair. You guys have seen this wig before because I have had it in a previous video. So HERMOSA sent me the same wig again so I could show you guys. These are all the goodies that came in my bag, and this is how the wig comes right out of the box. It looks so pretty and the curls are really nice. So let's jump right into this video. So this is the 13x4 deep wave in 28 inches from HERMOSA. I have done the glued down method of this unit, and I will link that in the description down below if you guys are interested. In it, this method I'm going to be doing is going to be glueless because I don't want to glue this wig on. I do want to be able to take it off at night because it is pretty long. So I'm going to just go ahead and just start cutting out the lace of this wig. Like I said, I want to show you guys how this wig comes straight out the box, and I'm going to just slightly customize it. I already bleached the knots of this wig off camera. I'm sure you guys already know how I bleach knots. I'm gonna link detailed video of how I bleach knots in the description down below if you're interested. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start playing with this wig and playing with the parts. I use a lighter concealer on the part just so it could look like it's growing out of my scalp. I went ahead and used the wax stick on the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use hot comb to lay this wig down so it doesn't look too bulky on my head. At first I was gonna leave the wig as is and not do any baby hair, but I personally wasn't really enjoying how it was looking, so I went ahead and just kind of created some baby hair on this wig so it could look better. Like I said, I didn't really do much to this wig. This is how this wig comes. I did bleach the knots, I'll give you that. Also, I did pluck the wig a little bit, but I didn't want to over pluck this unit because it is really full. I did not want to over pluck it, so that's all I did. I'm just gonna go ahead and just create baby hairs to this wig so it could give an illusion. Being that I didn't glue down this wig, it is easier for me. Honestly, I prefer the glueless method because, like I said, I don't like leaving my wigs on for too long on my head anymore. I like to take it right off because it's just easier for my lifestyle right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just create baby hairs on my unit. gonna spray my hair with the even spray, and I'm just gonna play with this hair a little bit. I did add water to it, and this is how the length of the wig looks. This hair is actually really pretty. I did get a lot of compliments on it when I posted it on my Instagram. The curl pattern is perfect for spring break, summer. It's just a beautiful wig. I love the curl patterns a lot. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will link it in the description down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.